Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 27th, Monday morning, and it's cold here in northern Illinois, 6 degrees below zero right now, so things are moving a little bit slow and kind of like the market. Grain market's quiet today and quiet overnight with very little movement. The cold weather that has moved into the Midwest and going to move further south here in the central part of the U.S. has got the wheat market excited a bit here this morning. We're up 2 to 3 cents. That's certainly providing some support. Natural gas, something that's been talked about here for the last few days because of this extreme cold, is higher again this morning. That's a market that's got all the attention in recent sessions. Soybeans out of South America continue to be better growing conditions, and trade estimates out of there. Saffras just put out a number over the weekend of 91.8 million metric tons coming out of Brazil. So looking for some bigger crops, improving crops out of South America, both in Brazil and Argentina. The CFTC released their numbers on Friday from the Commitment of Traders. Not much change last week. Very minimal changes in soybeans and in wheat. Corn had a bit of an increase, but still a very quiet week for managed money, as they didn't change positions very much. We do have the stock market up here this morning after that sharp break on Friday, so that might provide some supporting attitude, at least for the grain complex. The key numbers that we had on Friday was a cattle on feed report. We had 95% on feed, placed at 101, market at 99. All three categories are just below or on the negative side of the guesses that the trade had been expecting. So we'd have to call the cattle market anywhere from 25 to 50 lower here this morning. The cutout values are going to be watched very closely, as we've got choice down 129 on Friday, select down 68. That's going to be the focus as we go into the midweek here, when we usually get some improvement in movement. Can the box beef hold these numbers and provide the strength for the cash market that we've seen in recent sessions? The feeder index settled out at 170.34 on Friday. In the pork complex, we've got cutout values there were a little higher. The hog industry is struggling with staying current again with the extreme cold temperatures that we've seen across the Midwest, hampering movement of hogs from the farm to the packing plants, continuing to keep the producers not as current as they'd like. So therefore, we could see some volatility again in cash markets this week, with the product and the size of the hogs continuing to get larger. We did have some news out of China over the weekend. The Chinese National Development and Reform Commission put out their estimates, saying that hogs numbers in China are getting too large. They've seen a 15% decline in hog prices in China. They're suggesting some sow liquidation by producers. So that's something that we'll be monitoring closely, and also limit some of the export potential that we have here out of the U.S. We want to remind everybody that today is really the last day to get signed up for our Allendale's 26th Annual Ag Leaders Conference. It's going to start tomorrow at 2 o'clock with Drew Lerner. That his report and outlook is not going to be recorded, so you need to attend live in order to get that information. It'll be one of the first times he releases his estimates for 2014 on what type of planning and growing season we might have. So those forecasts are going to be extremely important as you plan your marketing and management strategies throughout the year. On Wednesday and Thursday, we'll have corn and soybeans and livestock an analysis and forecast from Allendale's research staff. Those sessions will be recorded, so you'll be able to review them later on in the weekend or later on in the day. But just reminding everybody, Drew's session will not be recorded, so you need to be live for that. Call us today if you want to get signed up, or you can just go right to our website, log on there, and we'll get you signed up in time to listen to that event tomorrow afternoon. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. You can call us at 800-262-7538. So have a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.